Hello my friends, this is the video that I made on Palantir just 9 days ago, to be exact on May 29th of this year, when the price of this asset was, as you can see right here, at $143.34. And at this point I told you that this asset broke two ranges of resistance, this sloping line and this horizontal line at the price point of $139. And I told you that as long as this two line holds, as long as these lines might be the ranges of support, we were potentially to this movement to the upside that should complete the C wave to the upside. And guys, take a look right here. This is the actual price action of Palantir. I made my previous video somewhere at this point, and since I made it, this asset was in a very substantial movement to the upside. It gained to its value more than 14%, and then it went lower and it broke these two levels of support. And guys, this is another evidence of the power of technical analysis. And if you want to know more about technical analysis, if you want to enhance your trading skills, feel free to subscribe to my YouTube channel
and join my Patreon account. And guys, this is the post that I wrote on January the 30th. It is a public post that you can find on my Patreon. It is pretty much all trade alerts that I made from December the 1st to January the 30th. These are the results of these alerts. You can see that all of the trades were in profit except this one on December 19th. TRWV hit a stop loss order, and we've lost about 1.33% on this trade, but all other trades are in green. That is why you can use these trades in your personal trades as a part of your due diligence. So guys, you've seen many of my trade calls, all delivering strong returns in just hours. Now it's your turn to trade smarter. Join my safe haven Patreon tier, built for traders who want consistency, structure, and real results. You will get a detailed plan to protect your portfolio, monthly one-on-one Zoom sessions with me, and private Discord access with all trade alerts, lessons, and exclusive updates. And here is the best part. If you don't earn more than your subscription price within 30 days, you will receive a full refund, no question asked, as long as your trading account balance is at least $2,500 and you've taken all the recommended trades during the period. No excuses, no fine print. You profit or you don't pay. Join today and let's start building your edge in the market.
I got the cash in the bag, stadium packed. Born a rock star in this life, gonna live it up.
So, and on today's video I will show you why this asset had this substantial movement to the upside, and right after which it went to pretty much initial bottom of this movement. And I will show you what should we expect next and where we are on a bigger scale for this asset. But first of all, I want to pay attention to the general sentiment related to Palantir stock, and to do so, as usual, you have to type in Google search bar PLTR stock and switch to new stuff folder, and you will see several recent news. I want to pay attention to this one. It was published just a couple of days ago on tradersunion.com, and it's titled "Palantir stock drops as CEO warns of nationalization threat from regulators." And here are the highlights. Palantir deepened its enterprise reach by partnering with Google Cloud, enabling integration with BigQuery and Gemini AI, and expanding distribution via Google Cloud Marketplace. Recent multi-year deals include Kirkland and Alice collaboration to build an AI fundraising tool for private equity, and multi-million-dollar contract with McCarthy Building Companies for AI-driven construction decision support. And these two bullet points are extremely bullish. But the problem of Palantir is following. Here is the comment of Anton Haritonov, expert in Traders Union, and he sees Palantir's recent strategic partnership as fundamentally positive, but notes that market sentiment is defensive following the CEO's warning on regulatory risks. CEO Alex Karp warned industry peers about the potential for nationalization amid heightened scrutiny, though price action has remained under broader selling pressure. And yes, if the CEO of the company warns about something, especially right before the major actions on the market that were extremely bearish. Definitely the price of the Palantir stock should and might go lower. And guys, let me show you that for the Friday session alone, QQQ index lost about 4% of its value. And as you can see, this blueprint I made for my Patreons. If you want to receive this type of updates on a consistent basis, you can join my Patreon. But I believe that this asset should go even lower, and we have to see deeper retracement that should unload the rally that began on March 31st. That is why, guys, PLTR might also have a decline in its price. And that is why you have to be cautious with any long position on this stock. So, and let's continue with the technical analysis. But before we dive deep right here, please subscribe to my channel, hit notification bell and hit the like button. This helps me a lot. So guys, let me show you that I think we've invalidated this 5-wave structure. Wait a second, this 5-wave structure of the 5 waves of the C wave of the of the ABC correction to the upside, because we have a very deep retracement for the 4th wave. It cannot be the 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 waves to the upside. It is something else, and let me show you what I'm talking about. If it is not the 5 waves to the upside, potentially we have a broken wave, and in this case this might be the top of the C wave. And this might be the top of the B wave on a bigger scale, which means, guys, potentially Palantir is about to form another lowest point for this price action that will be lower than the bottom that was established on February the 6th of this year. And that is why, guys, be cautious with your long position of Palantir, because in general I still think that this asset should go much higher and should break its all-time high and hit roughly $300. But this pullback is inevitable, and it should happen in order to collect more steam to hit higher price targets. That is why, guys, if you want to benefit out of its upcoming movements, let's switch to, let's say, hourly time frame. And in the short-term perspective, this asset, well, have several levels of support. It already reached this level of support, but I believe that we might see a decline that will retest about 131 or maybe $129 marks. Then we might have a pullback to the upside that should unload this extremely harsh movement. We might have something like this. We might have another consolidation phase that potentially might form some kind of bearish channel as well. And then we might have another leg to the downside that will land somewhere, well, I cannot project for now this price target, I believe that we have to first of all break these 3 lowest points in order to confirm this movement. Right after that, it will be this asset will find its support, and we might see this trend reversal to the upside that potentially might hit much higher price targets. So I think that's all information that I want to provide you. If you like my video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel with notification bell, and see you guys in videos next time. Bye.
I got the cash in the bag, stadium packed. Born a rock star in this life, gonna live it up on the attack. Baby, I'm bad, I just wanna get caught up in this life. I'm crazy, I'm mad, doing no cap. Only God wants you.